all my beautiful people, and welcome to the dinner party. Hi. Hi guys, how are you? Are you good? Good. Y'all, today I came up with a concoction. I dug out a pineapple and I decided to stuff it, right? I got coconut rice, eggs, cheese, salt, pepper, and bacon. I got a feeling this gonna be so good because y'all ain't seen the jazz hands in a while. I got a feeling this gonna give me jazz hands, y'all. Ooh, I can't wait. I can't wait. That's I got bacon. I got bacon. And we're gonna have us a grown lady beverage. Today I'm drinking tropical pineapple sunset. I cannot wait. Can y'all see it? Look at it's so full. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. When I say I can't wait, when I say I'm gonna eat this, let me see. And it's all hot. Y'all see that? When I say this is the bar, Look at that cheese. Look at that. This is absolutely wonderful. Y'all know I told y'all I like Hawaiian pizza. This is giving me Hawaiian pizza feel. Look at it. I'm gonna show it to y'all one more time. Ooh. I got to do y'all one jazz here. Cause my other one busy eating. Oh, and I got chopped up onions in it. Y'all can make this. Wait a minute. Y'all can make this at the house. All you need is a fresh pineapple. You got eggs. Stuff it with anything you want to stuff it with. When I tell you this is giving me Hawaii, and I ain't never been. I y'all see the cheese hanging? I hope when I post my video, my lighting okay, because it's dark outside. It's gonna rain. This is magically delicious. Before the summer out, y'all, get y'all a pineapple. Do it for the one time. I don't know what I'm gonna do when the winter hit, cause them canned pineapples ain't the same. Sorry guys, yeah, the core. How y'all been? Not to ask y'all. So y'all doing good? What y'all eating? I had this so stuffed with stuff. I use like 2 eggs, rice. I use 3 strips of bacon, but I chopped them up. Going back there. I got a lot of pineapple. Is that the light? Did I leave the refrigerator open? I think I left the refrigerator open, y'all. I got a lot of pineapple and a lot of fillings still left. Going back there and make y'all a boat. I think that's the light from the refrigerator. That's different. This pineapple is so sweet. What y'all gonna do? Let me see. The weekend coming up. What y'all gonna do for the weekend? I know around here, a lot of people go camping up north in our Upper Peninsula because it's the summer winding down. So they do a lot of cabin and a lot of jet skiing and camping and tents and stuff. Your girl, I don't camp. Y'all know that. I don't camp. I don't tent. I don't hike. I can go and sit by the pool and look at the sun. Wait a minute! Did it miss my mouth? Oh, but it fell on the plate. If it had fell on the floor, it still fell. Y'all. That's what I get for trying to stick. I'm sorry, y'all. For trying to stick all that in my mouth. And you know this rice is going to get you full. And I still ain't learned. Look at all that. I still ain't learned. You don't learn your lesson? Come on, cocktail. I also got some mandarin, no, some of them cherries in a jar. What they called? I forget. That's what I got in here. That's why it's really orange, but that's why it's red. Ooh, that's good. And I think I should have got some water, because I'm drinking that like it's water, and it's not. Y'all get y'all a cocktail too. I know it's the middle of the day. I know it's the middle of the day, but you know what? It's 5 o'clock somewhere. By the time y'all see this, it'll be the morning. Somewhere it's 5 o'clock. So get y'all a cocktail and enjoy the rest of the day. And then it got the pineapple juice mixed in it. This would be good if you're a vegetarian. Just don't put no meat in it. And do like, do vegetarians do cheese? I think they do cheese. Just do like the cheese and the egg and the rice and the pineapple. I'm getting full. I'm getting real full. Probably because it's hot today. It's really hot. I'm surprised y'all can't see me sweating. I don't have too much to talk about because I'm hungry. I'm always hungry. Y'all know that. Yep, I'm getting full. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And share me out. Oh, you know who y'all can share me out to? Your co-workers. Because I'm pretty sure y'all shared me out to Mama and them. Now I can share me out to the co-workers in them. mm. Oh, y'all know what else y'all could put in here? Dig it out and get some food from the Chinese restaurant. Because you know a lot of they stuff have pineapples and stuff in it. And put that in there. Mm-hmm. I'm dogging this. I think my mouth gonna get the itching because I ate too many. And I'm going full. I'm gonna take me one last drink. I know it look empty, don't it? It's not. It's still a lot of pineapple. I mean, a lot of filling. Oh, yeah, like, what's she doing? I'm trying to get the stuff out my dish. I can't get it. Okay. I'm gonna take one last drink. Cheers. Oh, yeah, that's good right there. I want to thank all my beautiful people and all my new beautiful people for coming and fellowshipping with me. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Woo! Share me out. Subscribe. You know, do all that good stuff for me, please. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!